Everyone, welcome to another class of previous year question of public administration paper 1. We are discussing question on comparative public administration. So this was the last question we will discuss on comparative public administration. So this question asked in 2015. It was a 20 marker question, and to understand this question you need to know about administrative theory Max Weber. So Max Weber's interpretation in development administration. Max Weber, who is known as father of bureaucracy, his interpretation in the concept of development administration. So you need to interpret it in unit 7. Clear? So this is Weberian model of bureaucracy is dysfunctional to the key process of development administration. So here in this question we need to write that what is development administration. Bureaucracy is the key actor of development. Weber is the father of bureaucracy, and why Weber's bureaucracy is dysfunctional or not support the concept of development administration. This way we will discuss this question 4 part. The first part is what is the concept of development administration. Bureaucracy as vehicle of development. Bureaucracy is a vehicle of development. Weber's idea of bureaucracy. Weber's idea of bureaucracy. And fourth part, it is criticism or why Weber's bureaucracy is dysfunctional to development administration. This is the 4 part of this question. You need to write in 200 word. Again, interpretation of Max Weber in where? In development administration. So first part we need to write the answer. The first part is what is development administration. Before that, Unacademy, India's largest learning platform, which will help you in your preparation for any OPSC exam. Here we have batch courses to streamline your preparation, and when you take a plus subscription you will have a 30 hours of live sessions every day, structured course in English and Odia by top educator. And Unacademy cover all this exam: OS, ASO, CT, B.Ed, CPSC and OMC. And myself, Deepak Kumar Swain. I have been teaching public administration for the last 5 years. I have appeared in UPSC, CSC mains and OCS interview. This is the book I have written for Odisha Civil Service main examination. This is designed for Odisha Civil Service main. It complete syllabus coverage both paper 1 and 2. It has unit wise previous year OPSC question. And model answer is given: 20 long question, 40 short question, an important report of second ARC, which you can interpret in your answer. And if you check 2019 main question, you will find answer of every question in this book. This should be your approach to study public administration. You must remember the syllabus. It is very essential to remember the syllabus completely to interpret paper 1 with paper 2. You must analyze previous year question to understand the pattern, the demand of this question, and make structural note with which you can quickly revision everything before your exam. So paper 1 is interpreted in paper 2, structure of public organization in central state administration, public policy machinery of planning, personal administration public service, financial administration control of public expenditure, accountability control and administrative law interpreted in major issue in Indian administration. So if you completely cover paper 1, 30 to 40% of paper 2 cover. Clear? So I'm teaching only public administration in Unacademy. It is a 4-month duration course, 90 classes of 1.5 hour each, more than 150 hour of lecture. Here we discuss both paper 1 and paper 2. We discuss all previous year mains question, more than 180 plus question we will discuss, and in your next mains you will get question similar pattern to this previous year question. Focus is on answer writing and how you add current information in your answer. This is a subscription fees, and when you use this code DSWINE live, you will get a 10% discount. So you can have a 6-month course in 5,000 rupees. So very economical. And this is Let's Crack Doubt with top educator. It will be announced soon. And this is Avlokan batch part 1, political science, public administration and home science optional. In batch 2 you have Soroj Samalsal taking, very renowned. He is taking sociology, economics, geography and Odia. So 7 optional is given. There is a new Samarth ASO Secretariat batch starting from 18 March. This is a ASO High Court batch, Pragati batch, start from 18 March. And this is Dikshant batch, start from 15 March. And when you take a plus in free, you will not get the complete syllabus, but in plus you will get the complete syllabus, unlimited practice set, unlimited PDF note and regular doubt clearing session. So get back to our question. Again you watch this question. The Weberian model of bureaucracy is dysfunctional for the key purpose of development administration. Development administration, bureaucracy, why it is dysfunctional. So basically some criticism of bureaucracy we need to write here. Okay, so let's see how we'll approach this question. Yes, what is development administration? Listen, development administration basically it is a prescription by west to east. And what is in the prescription? The East or newly independent country, they face a lot of problem related to education, health, employment, many problems they face, and they want rapid socio-economic development like the West. They want rapid socio-economic development like the West. Okay, so they refer the method of development provided by West. So West give a method, West give the concept that is known as development administration, and it is divided into two types. One is administration of development and second is development of administration. Here your answer lies. Administration of development. So when you administer development, as a bureaucrat you administer development work, and development of administration means development of the structure and function of administration. This is development administration. I think it is clear. So what happened in a developing country? Bureaucracy or administration is vehicle of development. It is the government in action. It is government in action. So in order to ensure development, it is essential in order to ensure development, you need to develop the administration, its structure and function. So you people are given training. The concept, instead of IAS we need a rural administrative service. This is nothing but a concept of development administration. And as bureaucracy is a vehicle or instrument for development, it need to be developed. As simple as that. So what type of bureaucracy is prevalent in developing country? This is Weberian model of bureaucracy, which is a vehicle of development. Simple Weberian model of bureaucracy. But the question is asked that some model of bureaucracy, that certain characteristic of bureaucracy goes against the development. Okay, now development administration, the concept, it focus on client or citizen, it focus on participation, it focus on democratization, it focus on decentralization, it focus on value for money, it focus on welfareism. Clear? It focus on welfareism. So it's okay. So what character or what aspect of Weberian bureaucracy hamper development? Okay, what aspect of Weberian bureaucracy hamper development, or it is dysfunctional against the concept of development administration? Very simple. First, we know that bureaucracy is, Weber said, instrumental aspect of bureaucracy, but actually what found, it turned into institutional one, that instead of working for the welfare, working for the poor, bureaucracy continue working for itself. So this institutional aspect of bureaucracy is against, this is not supporting the concept of development administration. Instrumental aspect turned into institutional aspect. Second, the concept of rigidity, the concept of hierarchy, the concept of rule orientation, that bureaucracy is very rigid organization, it is hierarchical, so file movement is very slow, and it is rule oriented. Instead of focusing on goal, bureaucrats are focusing on means. They give more priority to rules and regulation instead of working for the welfare of people. Rule orientation, it is a close organization. That means the involvement of people here is very less. It is non-participative decision making, and the element of secrecy, the element of nepotism, corruption, the concept of new despotism, the concept of iron law of oligarchy, the concept of trained incapacity. All are negative aspects of bureaucracy. Bureaucrats are trained incapacity. Iron law of oligarchy. That means the oligarch or the rich people, they control bureaucracy. New despotism. That means bureaucrats become authoritarian. Corruption, nepotism, they help only their near and dear one. Trained incapacity. After that, Karl Marx concept of bourgeois proletariat exploit the proletariat. The bourgeois exploit the proletariat. After that, bureaucrat, the promotion system breed discontent. And which promotion system? Seniority based promotion. It breed discontent among young employee. Yes, it breed discontent among young employee. Seniority based promotion, and it result into the concept Peter principle. And what is Peter principle? In organizational hierarchy, employee reach to his or her level of incompetence, and gradually the whole organization filled with incompetent people. This is being given by Peter in his idea Peter principle, that due to the seniority based promotion, the whole organization filled with incompetent people, and all this result into what we can call, these are against the concept of development administration. So due to all this, state led development hamper. Due to all this, state led development hamper. Clear? So this is the answer to this question. The Weberian model of bureaucracy is dysfunctional to the key purpose of development administration. So the key purpose of development administration is development, growth, people welfare, citizen-centric administration, democratization, decentralization, participation. But the Weberian model's bureaucracy and its negative aspect will result into inefficiency, unprofessionalism, a closed organization. The organization move towards what entropy? Positive entropy, that is disintegration. And disintegration will not help in development administration. Neither nepotism, secrecy, inefficiency. Neither thing help the key purpose of development administration. So the question is, Weberian model of bureaucracy is dysfunctional to the key purpose of development administration. 20 mark, very good way you can write this. What is development administration? Bureaucracy is a vehicle of development. What is Weberian model of bureaucracy? Why Weberian bureaucracy? Or what is there? What is the negativity or criticism of Weberian bureaucracy that will impact or that result into dysfunctional to the aim of development administration? Okay, so this is for today. Tomorrow we have special class at 11 a.m. It is free. You can just download the Unacademy Learner app and watch this class. We are discussing about Herbert Simon, the father of decision making theory. Herbert Simon, who is known as father of decision making theory, and in 2020 mains it is a probable question 60 marker. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you and goodbye. Meet you